Hi everyone, I'm Marvin Ouyang, Chief Scientific Officer at Cyagen. Today, on World Day for Laboratory Animals, I want to talk about something incredibly important. How do we advance research while ensuring the highest standard of animal welfare? World Day for Laboratory Animals is a time to recognize the invaluable contributions animals make to scientific breakthroughs, especially in areas like gene editing, where we are working to cure some of humanity's toughest diseases. Cyagen has established extensive cooperations with scientists and institutions in more than 100 countries, leading to publications of over 10,000 academic articles, many of which were in 3 major journals of CNS. At Cyagen, we are incredibly proud to be part of this journey, providing researchers with the specialized rodent models that are essential for preclinical research. Our mission goes far beyond simply providing a service. We see ourselves as a partner in a larger, more meaningful endeavor. We know that behind every data point, every experiment, there's a living being, and that understanding shapes everything we do. You have probably heard of the 3 R's: replacement, reduction, and refinement. They are the foundation of ethical animal research, and we are deeply committed to them. Cyagen is all about genial care. It's about creating enriching environment, minimizing stress, and providing top-tier vet care. This commitment is woven into everything we do. We're honored to have earned ALAC accreditation to be OLO compliant and to be ISO 9001:2015 certified. Ever wondered what a state-of-the-art animal research facility really looks like? We invite you to take a closer look at our animal care practice through the Inside Cyagen Animal Facility playlist. This drive for improvement is also impacting our research tools. We're asking the big questions. Can AI transform how we use animal models? Nice animals, more efficiency, and the true 3 R's? We're all in on finding out. That's the power behind the Cyagen's RDDC and AbSeek. RDDC equips researchers to conquer rare disease with powerful genetic analysis and visualization. AbSeek, our intelligent antibody analysis platform, significantly accelerates antibody discovery. Both platforms are completely free for researchers. Join us in this mission to advance research and improve animal welfare. What are your ideas for advancing both scientific progress and animal welfare? Share your comments below. Thank you for joining me today. If you'd like to learn more, be sure to subscribe to our channel or visit our website.